Well, hello everybody. This is Nicholas Collier, and I have to say that I am so excited to be at this part of the program. It's been quite a journey, but I've been looking forward to this last year of field and being able to get these other two classes out the way. So, graduation. I'm excited. Sorry. But for this particular field placement, for the actual concentration, um, I will be working with a foster care um, facility or um, agency, however you want to title it. But they work with foster care kids who has either come into custody per court order, or the Department of Children's Services has taken them into custody, and they, of course, have to be placed with a foster family. And a lot of the kids that go into foster homes are dealing with some kind of trauma or behavior issues that may be um, because of abuse, neglect, or trauma. And so there are two positions that are there. One they call an in-home coordinator, and then they have the actual therapists who work with the kids to help them with their trauma, developing treatment plans, and just to uh, help them work through those treatment plans while they're in the foster home. Um, what I'm hoping for to get out of this field experience, well, I have to say that we have been learning a lot of information leading up into this last portion of the field placement. And so a lot of theory, a lot of different modalities that we've learned throughout the duration from our last field placement up until now. And so I really look forward to being able to see what they look like in person, as far as how they unfold, how they work, not just in theory but also in practice. Uh, Somewhat kind of nervous because there's a big difference between just learning and being able to put those things to work with actual live people. And so I really look forward to that experience. How do I expect this field experience will be different? Um, for one, the environment is different. My last placement, I was actually in a um, inpatient facility working with children, same age group, but just the environment is totally different. As far as I'll be actually working with kids in the foster home or in the office, being able to do therapy with them. My role will be an actual therapist, working with the kids, client interactions. I'm a people person, so I really look forward to be able to spend time with the kids, really being able to observe their behavior, to see how certain theories work with them, and just being able uh, to learn and to um, be advised or directed on what works best and what doesn't work, uh, and getting feedback on how things are going for me while working with the kids at this actual field placement. So, um, field experience as well as field seminar. Field seminar is one of those things that I know just goes along with field placement, but I really like being able to do um, the process notes because it gives me an opportunity to put my thoughts on paper and being able to look back at it to see different conversations where I could have done better with the client, and getting feedback from our actual teacher as well as the clinical director whom will be working alongside with me at this particular placement. And so I look forward again to diving in, getting my hands in the work, in the clay, and putting some of this stuff to work. So, all the best to everyone that's in this class, and as well as on your field placement. So, let's get it done.